All you diamonds, this is Diamond Rose with another job offer. Customer service representative for William-Sonoma Incorporated. $15 an hour. It's a temporary job. And this is a full job description. For an immediate response, apply here directly. HTTPS. And this is the website link right here. It says, why you and why us? Who are our customer service agents? They are people who truly care about creating a seamless experience for our customers, agents, and training in taking calls to assist customers with anything from placing orders and facilitating returns to locating products and scheduling deliveries for all of our Williams-Sonoma brands. If you consider yourself a blend of determination with a heart of gold, this is your opportunity. What benefits do you offer? 40% discount on most merchandise. Monthly performance bonuses up to $500. Fun customers rewards and recognition programs. Paid training from the comfort of your home. Overtime. Opportunity to convert to benefited status within 90 days. Pay is $15 per hour. Job duties your day-to-day. Solve the problem efficiently. Quick and with quality. Make it personal. Take ownership. Inspire customer loyalty. Give them a real reason to come back. Listen carefully. Be attentive. Emphasize our effort because we care. Essential functions. The nuts and bolts. Address customer questions and considers regarding product and delivery information. Provide product information. Review alternative solutions. If an item is out of stock, and place orders for the customer. Successfully negotiate and appease customers using a variety of methods established by Williams-Sonoma Incorporated guidelines. Check inventory, process returns, issue replacements and credits for damage or defective merchandise. Perform other duties as assigned. Qualifications: what you need to apply. High school diploma or GED, 1 to 2 years previous customer service experience in a performance-based or metric-driven environment. Strong ability to communicate both verbal and written with capable data entry skills. Important facts. Must have these for consideration. Ability to complete mandatory paid training for 4 weeks. 100% attendance is required. Equipment you must have for training and for work. Desktop or laptop computer with Windows 8.1, Windows 10, or Mac OS 10.15 or newer. No Chromebook, Windows 7, Windows 8, RT, or Windows 10s. Antivirus, Santavirus / anti-malware. 6 gigabytes of RAM. Wired USB headset with microphone, which is compatible with our systems. Ethernet cable hardwired into your modem or router box. Wi-Fi is not permitted. USB to Ethernet converter. If your computer does not have an Ethernet port, monitor 15 inches or larger with minimum resolution of 1024 x 768. Mouse and keyboard. Webcam built in on external with minimum resolution of 640 x by 480. Landline phone, iOS device, tablet or cell phone, or an Android tablet or cell phone for purposes of multi-factor authentication. Computer must be hardwired to your modem box, router, or gateway. Wi-Fi is not allowed due to security and broadband constraints. Acquire a minimum internet upload speed of 6 megabits and 10 megabytes per minute of download speed before training as measured by the website we host, speedtest.wsgc.com. Questions: we suggest you read through the system requirements to ensure your computer operating systems and equipment are compatible. This will be sent after your you apply. About Williams-Sonoma. Williams-Sonoma Incorporated is a multi-channel specialty realtor of high quality products for the home. Today, Williams-Sonoma Incorporated is one of the United States' largest emerged retailers with some of the best known and most beloved brands in home furnishing. Excuse me. We we currently operate retail stores in the United States, Canada, Puerto Rico, Australia, and the United Kingdom, and franchise our brands to third parties in a number of countries in the Middle East, the Philippines, and Mexico. Our products are also available to customers through our categories and online worldwide. This job just got posted today. Williams-Sonoma, if you're looking for something temporary until you can get a full job, or you're just looking for something temporary because you're a student or because you're a busy parent, this is it. It's a customer service experience. You'll need just that, and then you'll need a high school diploma or the equivalent. It's paid training. It's a work from home job position. So if it sounds like something you guys like, you can go ahead and apply. That's a great way to start. It's a temporary position. Customer service rep, work from home, mobility, sales and services, $3,000 progressive sign-on bonus. This is AT&T. It's to connect people with cutting-edge technology. They deliver. It's for $15 an hour full-time. It's a remote job position. Apply on company website. Click this link and go ahead and apply. Excite. Put the customer skills to work on the front line of our operations. Apply now right here. So you apply, and this is in sales. They have sales positions. They have technology support, and they have credits and all that. So with this job, it's the customer service rep, work from home, mobility, sales, and services. And yes, it says sign-on bonus is progressive sign-on bonus for $3,000. It's based out of Virginia, Lebanon. Excuse me. The call center. Join us to find endless ways to support our customers while moving the world forward. It says you are calm under pressure, have a solution-oriented mindset, tech-savvy, and open to learning about new tech. A clear and effective communicator, ability to maintain a positive mindset. So this is AT&T. This is the information for that. $3,000 progressive sign-on bonus. Sign-on bonus details $750 after 30 days, $750 after 60 days, and $750 after 90 days, and $750 after 120 days. So all that is going to be total up to $3,000. Please note you must reside in one of the following states to be eligible for consideration. This is I think it's Mississippi, Virginia, Vermont, West Virginia. It says please see partner posting requisite if you are relocated in the following states: Connecticut, Delaware, Massachusetts, Maryland. I think this is Maine, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, Ohio, Philadelphia. Okay, Pennsylvania, excuse me, Rhode Island, and DC area of Virginia. Answering your calling and taking the lead at our company from the comfort of your home as a member of our team, you'll redefine how our customers engage with the latest product offerings, media, and entertainment. It's an opportunity to be the voice of AT&T, a global leader in communications and technology, in a career where we'll count on you to deliver the best in class customer experience. In this role, you'll take the lead in addressing customer questions and concerns on all products and services through case resolution pertaining to a variety of issues. You'll need a strong attention to detail to maintain appropriate records, prepare required reports, and update customer accounts. Each case will provide an opportunity to creative problem solve ways to address customer issues through various tools and systems. Most importantly, your ability to provide effective and timely resolution will impact the overall customer experience. There may also be instances where you provide customer service and support as assigned. This may include selling products and services, collecting past due balances, processing credit applications, and or activating services. You will also be required to efficiently navigate between multiple screens to resolve complex customer concerns as it relates to one or more products or services, uncover customers' wants, interests, and needs in each customer interaction to effectively save the product and offer additional products and services. Demonstrate self-sufficiency through utilizing various support tools to research and resolve complex customer issues in a virtual setting. Utilize virtual communication tools to engage your manager or support team for assistance. Remain proficient in explaining customer bills as well as managing billing. Rate plan and feature matters for one or more products or services. Perform basic troubleshooting for one or more products or services. Adhere to a set schedule, including breaks, lunches, and schedule open time to ensure availability to answer the customer's call and provide exceptional service. This is a full-time position, 40 hours per week. Flexible to work any schedule during the hours of operational is essential. Current business hours are Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. at night, and Saturdays and Sunday, 8 a.m. through to 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. And they have the work requirements. The work from home requires must have efficient, verified internet connection. Secure, reliable, and dedicated high speed is required to support business needs, and an established dedicated work area, desk, chair, electric outlet, direct LAN connection. Company will provide equipment, keyboard, monitor, computer, mobile device, etc. Must maintain workspace in alignment with work from home standards, technical, security, physical, noise levels, clean desk policy, etc., and participate in workspace audits. Report remote desktop observation, call and screen recordings, live webcam monitoring, pictures of workspace setup, video chats, etc. Be available, accessible, and accountable to work during established work schedules and shifts. Follow technical support processes. Comply with organizational security and compliance standards. Training, performance management, recurring management routines, manual and automatic remote monitoring policies. So what's in it for you? We'll offer you $15 per hour, and it has the potential for much more with sales incentives. Eligible AT&T wireless plans up to 2 accounts per employee, up to 10 lines per account, and wireless accessories. AT&T Internet fiber where available, AT&T phone, and AT&T wireless home phone. There's no better time than now to dial into a work from home career with AT&T. Want to learn more about our work from home rules? Watch this video and apply today. In order to qualify for this work from home position, you must reside in the following states. Once again, I think it's Michigan. If anybody can guess what that state is, I think it's Michigan, Virginia, or Minnesota. I think MN is for Minnesota. Virginia, Vermont, West Virginia, and please see partner posting requisite if you are located in the following: Connecticut, Delaware, Massachusetts, Maryland, Maine, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, Ohio, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, and DC. So if you guys like this job, you guys can go ahead and apply. And that's with AT&T for being a customer service rep. Work from home, mobile sales, and services. $3,000 progressive sign-on bonus. They will pay you in increments of $750. for 30 days, the first 30 days that you make it through,